Welcome back. We will continue from here. Vas deferens receives a duct from seminal vesicle and opens into urethra as ejaculatory duct. This is correct. The cavity of the cervix is called cervical canal, which along with vagina forms birth canal. This is also correct. So both the statements are correct. Option 3. So this is the image which is given in NCERT textbook. The image is not very clear. So you can see this one. Check this video, the link will be in the description. You can clearly see this is ejaculatory duct and this is ureter. So this part is called prostatic urethra. It is common for ureter as well as ejaculatory duct. And keep in mind, the content will never mix. At the time of ejaculation, the prostate gland will contract and it will squeeze the ureter, and urine will never mix in semen. Regarding birth canal, this is the canal of cervix and this is vaginal canal. Because the fetus develops in uterus, obviously it will pass through the cervical canal and vaginal canal together, which form the birth canal. The part of human brain that helps in regulation of sexual behavior, expression of excitement, pleasure, rage, fear, etc. This is the limbic system. Here is the answer, option 3. And this is the reference statement from NCERT. The inner parts of cerebral hemispheres and a group of associated deep structures like amygdala, hippocampus form a complex structure together which is called limbic lobe or the limbic system.